So I know late is a understatement, but I finally got my hands on the Kodak Gold 200. I was able to purchase these in store and not online. There's a camera store that I always go to that's pretty quite, good distance from me, that I always get my photography gear from. Last year I shot Kodak Gold 200, and I was definitely pleased with like the results. So when I heard Kodak was coming out with another one for 120, I definitely had to jump on that bandwagon and see how how the colors are and how the grain is compared to 35 millimeter. Especially since I got my new medium format camera. I don't really have a specific location to shoot them at. I think I'm just gonna go around town and shoot them. I do have a photo shoot in the city, so whatever rolls I have left, I can just use it for the shoot I'm shooting. And I definitely love to see how portraits look on Kodak Gold 200. So yeah, stay tuned.
So this is my friend George that I'm doing a shoot with in the studio in Bushwick. He's helping me test out some 120 on my new medium format camera with the remaining of the Gold 200 and some Portra 400. He's also a fellow photographer originally from Puerto Rico, but he's also been a subject for my portraits and comp sets over the years. George has a very unique photogenic look that I love, and we created some pretty iconic photos in my portfolio. So I knew when I wanted to test out a subject for my medium format camera, George was the perfect person to reach out to. So this is one of the photos I shot on Portra 400, and I'm going to compare these two since they are similar, so bear with me. But right away you can see the difference as far as the color, especially with the backdrops. The Gold 200 on the left has a bit of a subtle fade and more contrast, giving off a moody look, and the Portra 400 on the right has a bit more vibrance and saturation. You can see it in his skin tone as it pops out, and it's a bit more brighter. I definitely love the Gold 200 photo. I find his pose perfect, and I love the moodiness that the photo kind of provides. So I was actually able to submit this to Vogue Italia, and what do you know, I got accepted, which is pretty awesome. This is my second one that got accepted to Vogue Italia, and I'm probably gonna submit more from this shoot because it came out really awesome. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys next time.